professional inspection, strict quality control. To conform with strict quality requirements, we use various precision equipment to examine and inspect products, such as 2D image measuring instrument, 3D coordinate measuring instrument, inner-outer diameter micrometer, hardness tester, various inner and outer diameter measuring equipment, standard block gauge, height gauge, surface roughness tester, and electronic vernier calipers, so as to provide stable, accurate, and efficient process inspection and ensure product quality in each process.